Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to fold the rear seats on a 2011 Nissan Sentra. This video applies to Nissan Sentras made from 2006 all the way up to 2012. Okay, so to fold the rear seat there is actually a small lever right here behind the seat belt. This one you just want to pull it straight up and then pull the seat down. And same thing for the other side as well. Okay, other side is the same thing. Pull this lever up and then pull the seat down. Now if you want to lower this seat all the way down, you'll have to either remove the headrests or move the front seats a bit forward, and that way you'll be able to get maybe even 90-degree angle. Okay, so this is what you can get. It's not 90-degree, but you can definitely get lots of cargo space if you lower these seats. To install these seats back in, you just want to raise them up and snap them in, and they will just sit in place. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.